Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Shawsar Classes and Evershine Coaching Center. I am Shah Faisal sir here. My dear students, today I am going to discuss the very important topic of the class 10th Karnataka SSLC board exams 2021. Subject Mathematics. And the topic is Math Blueprint. Okay, so today we are going to discuss the Mathematics Blueprint for the academic year 2021 as per the revised reduced syllabus and also as per the latest new pattern. Let's begin the class without wasting much time. I hope you people are enjoying our sessions. Day by day we are uploading the very important topics. Please do not miss out any of the contents what we are going to explain you people in our sessions. Let's begin with today's class. As you can see here, the first chapter is arithmetic progression. I am going to give the title like AP. Okay. Here I am going to give you from each chapter how many marks the questions are going to be carried for the upcoming board exam. Here we have done the analysis of your model papers and suggestion from the experts. Then we are coming back with this video. Okay, so maximum chances are there the questions can be asked for you people in the upcoming board exam based on this pattern itself. Okay. So the first chapter is arithmetic progression and the second chapter is triangles, and then the third chapter is pair of linear equations, and then number 4 is circles, number 5 is constructions, and then number 6 is coordinate geometry, then number 7 is the chapter. Okay, actually I am not going with the chapter numbers, I am just going with the serial order. Do not get miss with the chapter numbers and this serial numbers. Okay, actually a coordinate geometry is chapter number 7. Okay, and construction is chapter number 6. So we have I am just deleted the reduced syllabus. I am just going in this order. Okay, anyways, coordinate geometry, and then number 7 is quadratic equation, then number 8 is introduction to trigonometry, and then number 9 is some applications of trigonometry, just let me to write like this, and then number 10 is statistics, then number 11 is surface areas and volumes. So these are the chapters what we have in mathematics class 10th Karnataka SSLC state board. Okay, and my dear students, we are following the NCERT textbooks. I am right? Good. Now arithmetic progression, how many marks this chapter carries? This chapter carries around 5 marks. Triangles, this chapter carries around 4 marks to 5 marks. So the chances are there 4 to 5 marks. And then pair of linear equation, the chances are there either they can ask you for 4 marks, if not 3 marks. Then circles, okay, Circles chapter we have around 3 marks, if not 5 marks. Okay, chances are there 3 to 5 marks. And then coming back to construction chapter, here you can get either 1 mark or 2 marks. Coordinate geometry, here we have got around 4 marks. Quadratic equation, we have got around 4 marks to 5 marks. Introduction to trigonometry, around 4 marks to 5 marks. Some applications of trigonometry, around 1 mark to 2 marks. Statistics, around 3 marks. Surface area and volume, around 5 marks. So this is the marks distribution for the total 40 marks. Okay, for the total 40 marks for your upcoming board exam, this is the marks distribution. So my dear students, you can just follow this series and you can follow the marks distribution. As per that, you can start your preparation. Okay, wish you all the best of luck. Still, if you are not subscribed to my YouTube channel, Shah Sir Classes, do subscribe it and click the bell icon. Share this video as much as possible with your all friends and with your classmates. Do take care. Bye bye.